Okay, so question is, I guess you could have lifted off the control arm. Where do you want this? Right here?
Huh? Where do you want what? Oh no, I have a jack stand on the control arm in front.
Oh, you already do?
Yeah.
So you have them on control arms.
Yep. You can leave. I'd leave that jack up there just in case.
Just in case?
Yep. I got the big boy jack stand back here.
Doesn't hurt anyway. So, according to the measurements, your drive shaft should be okay.
Should be the key word.
Right?
Hopefully it just slide.
I'm gonna pull this yoke.
Yeah, let me get you some back.
The way the exhaust is.
Oh, come on. If you cut the car in half and then push one end forward or backwards and then you put it back together. Yeah. You're coming up with good ideas all day.
Oh, so close. Come on. Oh. Now what? Come on. Seriously?
Well, what's it stuck on up there?
Okay, if I rotate it.
Like I said, I can drop the trans. There's 8 bolts total, and that's it. When it comes down. And it'll be fast. I use my zip.
Oof,
With the
you do that.
Yep.
Me, it's close.
Yeah.
You're not going to be changing new joints.
Yeah, I'm not going to be pulling the drive shaft out every other week.
No.
If that stock F body one held up in there, there's no reason this would be. Oh, what are you guys gonna bring more? Oh, this and that. They're all ready to go. Oh, my fault. Nope.
My car doesn't run yet.
Look at this. There's a drive shaft in a car. Would you look at that? It fits perfectly in the Ford F-250
Yoke?
slip yoke. Look at that. I say we just do a gnarly burnout right here in the garage. Just kidding. I'm not that crazy.
Right? You still got to sleep here. Oh, man. Hey, what about this?
Are you put it inside the house or out there?
I can just put it up there. This isn't done yet. This
Yeah,
is
we're
just,
going to have to zip tie that to
This is
something.
just chilling right now. Because
It's so going to rub
I
on
just
the axle.
tightened it here so when I hit the brake pedal when I pulled it out in the morning, it wouldn't just blast fluid out of it.
Right. At least push air around. So
High
those
dollar.
straps
High dollar.
are from Yukon.
From Yukon. Yep, you on the website, it matches this and the additional parts. It cost me $8.83.
Hey, but it's for an F-250.
It's for an F-250. Which probably actually makes more torque than I do. No.
No, I don't think so. Not anymore. Not anymore. Everything over there pretty happy?
Yep.
Good thing you got tons of brake fluid because we were about to let a bunch of air in.
Yeah. I did that on purpose. The brake fluid part.
Right. Too much is never enough.
Exactly. That's you all the way out.
Not quite. Okay. Feels.
Feel like it's cross-threaded.
No.
It feels cool.
It's going smooth. Yeah. Or not at all. So. Oh, it's threading in. I have a couple of rotations in. Yeah, that's what happens when you steal a brake line off an ATV.
Off of let's see, that came off of a 1997 Yamaha Banshee 350.
Sometimes you make do with what you got. It's
10 o'clock at night, everything's closed. So this is what we call some super custom stuff. Here's our original 1974 Datsun 260Z brake line, and we found there is a little crack right there. So we couldn't bleed the brakes. But, lucky for me, I hoard stuff. We got a brake line from a 1997 Yamaha Banshee 350. Bent it straight, went right in, look at this. And it's the same fitting, the same thread pitch, all that fun jazz.
Being Japanese and all.
Yeah, so now we got a hybrid Yamaha Banshee, Mustang, Datsun, Chevy
Two
Cargo
different
Express
generations
van.
of Mustang.
Yeah, 2 generations of Mustang. We got some Neon SRT4
Stuff.
you know. We got a 4-inch turbo super cannon back there. Oh, it's just a fun assortment of stuff. We got a Corvette fuel filter in there. All kind of fun jazz.
We bled the brakes.
They're bled.
They are my level of comfort.
Yeah. You know what it is? I think I get spoiled at work because it's all like new cars, like Z01 and stuff.
It's all
And you're at
cars.
that instant bite just at the very top, whereas
There's no bite at the top. And here's my theory, and you agree as well.
Mhm.
That's not enough master.
no, because that's a stock 240Z 7/8 bore
Yeah.
master cylinder with
14
4
inch
pot
Brembos.
Brembos in the front and disc brakes in the back, and it's still got the little itty bitty drum brake reservoir on there. So.
Oh, wait. Do you have the drum brake residual valve? That could be why the rears aren't releasing.
But as far as the pedal feel goes, I had disc brakes on it before.
Oh, so it's the same.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, if they get hot, you know why.
Yep.
Because it's not releasing.
Yeah. Well, as long as it kind of stops from 180.
Well, it'll be holding them back.
Yeah.
Alright, well, that's good.
Yeah. Drive shaft's in.
Drive shaft's in. Fits like a charm. You're now lifting the car by the dip. Those bushings, I'm sure they absorb something, but they don't have a whole lot of give. Alright, man. I wish you luck tomorrow.
Cool. Yep.
Can't test drive it today. Nope, not a minute.
If we push it a quarter mile, we could.
I feel like pushing about a quarter mile.
Yeah.
I'll just see you at the event, man.
Yeah.
I'd say overall it's a success.
I think so. Yeah.
Mechanically, like it's there. We don't know what kind of vibrations we have, but what could we possibly have?
Yeah.
Rotors are never that out of spec.
No. And they're on OEM hubs.
Everything's OEM.
Mm-hmm.
And unlike a certain other rear end, there is no factory recall.
No. None of these.
There is, however, one on the Explorers.
No.
I'll send you a link.
Yeah.
It's a bigger deal than people think. It's because, okay, you know how you press a race into a bearing?
Yeah.
Well, in aluminum housing, once that wall is out, no matter how many reloads you do,
They still do it.
it's loose.
Yeah.
So. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.
We're up.
That or Saturday morning.
Yeah.